Okay, let's go ahead and look at number 9. The direction says to simplify each expression. So what this means is we need to look for the operation. This case, we are adding. So when we add, we're just going to add like terms. So this 5k squared, it has a k squared after it, so we can go ahead and add it with this 6. 5 plus 6 is 11, and we're going to put a k squared after it. Next, we have this 3k to the 4th. Well, that can be added with this k to the 4th. Well, 3k to the 4th plus negative 3k to the 4th, that gives me 0, which means I don't have to write any k to the 4th. Next, let's look at plus 6. Well, a negative 6. Negative 6 doesn't have any k after it, and there's nothing I can add it with, so I'm just going to go ahead and bring it down. And then the last thing I have here is this k to the 3rd. Well, I don't see any other k to the 3rd, and it's a positive, so I'm going to write plus 6k to the 3rd. So this is my final answer, and I can leave it like this. Let's go ahead and do some practice problems. Go ahead and simplify number 1. Go ahead and simplify number 2. And then go ahead and simplify number 3.